Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today I am making a kale Caesar salad with chickpeas and homemade Caesar style dressing. Super healthy. I love having salads as side dishes for dinners. My husband and I love to have them with lunch. And that's all there is to it, y'all. We're gonna put the ingredients and the step-by-step instructions into the description below. I'll try to remember to put the pin for this recipe in the description also so you can pin and save it for later. I am going to start with my kale. We're just gonna put it into the, oh my goodness, I think they forgot to chop that piece of kale there. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this into my bowl. I did a sweet potato egg hash breakfast bake last week, and it had kale in it, so we have this big bag of kale to keep using up. We tend to be more regular romaine and spinach salad style family, but I was really hungry for that breakfast hash, and so I was like, then we're gonna make our kale salad. I make this once in a while and switch up the dressing. I really like sweet dressings like lemon poppy seed. Okay, so we have that in there. I have 1 can of chickpeas drained. I rinsed them off. They're kind of dried off. We're gonna put almost all in there. Probably like 2/3 cup. I might, I love to snack on chickpeas because they're healthy. I might put some seasoning on these and stick these in the air fryer for a snack later today. And I'm gonna kind of just wiggle my kale here, let those chickpeas kind of settle in. And we are going to add in about 1/4 cup of parmesan. If you have feta, you could use some feta crumbles. Give that a little shaky shake. Let that kind of settle in. Add a little more. Change that 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup. You gotta have cheese in your salad. Okay, I'm gonna grab a little bowl and we're gonna start putting together the dressing. All right, this is a homemade dressing, tried and tested. It's really good. You might be like, huh? That's some of the ingredients. Just bear with me. We are going to start with about 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt. I'm using, mine happens to be honey vanilla because I like to put the Greek yogurt into my smoothies and smoothie bowls. But if you've got plain or vanilla flavored Greek yogurt, or even lemon, because this recipe's got lemon zest and lemon juice, you could use a lemon style yogurt. We're gonna add in 3 tablespoons or so of light olive oil. We are gonna get some Dijon mustard, and we are gonna do 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard or so. Does not have to be super exact. Then we're gonna get some Worcestershire sauce. I know, bear with me, it's really good in this dressing. If you want to omit it, you can, but it just adds a perfect hint of flavor, and we are going to do about 1 tablespoon of that. Okay, I am going to add in a little salt, a little pepper, really just like a pinch of each. And then we are going to get some garlic powder. We are gonna do about 3/4 the tablespoon, like a teaspoon and a half maybe, of garlic powder. And I'm going to grab a little plate. And the two, I use the zest of 2 lemons. I'm actually going to sprinkle this right onto my salad, the zest, but I'm going to take the juice from my lemons. These lemons are a little smaller. You could get away with 1 big lemon. Grab my strainer. And we're going to use the juice from these lemons that we zested right into our dressing mixture. You want total about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Depends how lemony you like your flavor. Some people like a really strong lemon, go with 2 tablespoons or the juice of the 2 small lemons. If you like it a little bit lighter, just do the juice of 1 lemon. I'm gonna grab my little whisk. We are gonna whisk this together. You really want to make sure you whisk it good. You want your dressing creamy and smooth. Blend all those flavors together. Let's give it a little taste. That's good stuff, you guys. Really good. Okay, I'm going to grab my salad bowl. I am going to take the lemon zest from the 2 small lemons and sprinkle that in, and I'm going to kind of just let that also sift its way down into my salad. Now my chickpeas disappeared. Let's bring some of those back. There we go. Now I'll add a few more of those. Just add them to the top. And then I am actually going to keep the dressing in the small bowl. That way my family can add however much dressing they want to their salad. This is so good. Your family is going to love it. It's a perfect side dish, healthy salad, either for lunch or for dinner. And I hope you all like this recipe. Thank you all so much, and we'll see you next time.